so basically we're gonna try something new. I want to put a like glass frame right there, just kind of a glass. I don't know. And then yeah, you can see through here. It's kind of like a recording type studio. There's gonna be blankets and everything like that. It's pretty. I don't know. It's pretty small, but at the same time, like I feel like this will look really nice if I can get something to, I don't know, go in it, right? It'd be cool to like have a cooler over there or something like that. This speaker would obviously be connected to out there. This microphone would be connected to out there, but there'd be, oh shoot, there'd be a little like glass pane right here that you could look through and talk to me, talk back and forth, and yeah, it's just another idea that I got. Hey, so we're actually about to start building this right here, the window thing that I talked about yesterday. I've got a little bit of cool stuff in here now. That's about it. We took the microphone out because it's kind of in the way, but I'm gonna get it on video, and I want to post a video about it on like Saturday or something like that. Or yeah, no, it'd probably just be Saturday. So stick around for that. Follow. Also, I forgot to say, I'm gonna be posting little updates throughout like this whole thing. Yeah, just gonna kind of stick them in the video if I can. So we got some of the materials for it right here. Yep, this is gonna be really nice. Got my GoPro setup now, and then it's gonna cast this wall. It's like basically that square, but a little bit more. And then we got the carpet cut out, so now it looks a little more clean in there. Well, hello there.
Satisfied, my weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high.
The what?
The blade in my pocket. Reach in my pocket and get my blade. I was just kidding. I can do it.
Yeah, okay.
Comes and goes.
So we got this cut out now. Hey. 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 Oh, he gone. Let's go.
This way.
Yeah. So basically, we've now framed this out and gotten that speaker to work, and we're about to put the plexiglass on there, and then this little sucker just goes on and off of the wall. So, we got the window in. Let's go. So for the most part, we didn't really do much else. We got this speaker hung up, and then this, we got this from that side to that side. So now we have a lot more room to kind of do some stuff. So, summarized, I put back up everything. It's all good to go. The stream's almost ready. Don't miss out. Streaming in about 30 minutes. Also, this is done. The microphone's done. Everything in here looks nice. I'm gonna put up some soundproof blankets, kind of like I have in there, and they're gonna cover up these walls. Yeah, that's really it. So I'm really excited. It's gonna be dope. So basically, I put back up the this stuff for the stream. It's currently Friday. It's like an hour before the stream, so kind of had to throw that up at last minute, but the thing's still behind it. If we come inside the actual setup now, we've got some room to walk around. We have window right there. We took out this like door frame that was right here. This speaker connects to out there right now as it is. Over here, we're gonna put a small mini fridge right there, and then we've got a little bit of like vintage and a little desk that you can set your drinks on. So